Welcome back to Rolling Legends, where we dive deep into the most iconic and luxurious machines on the road. Today, we're looking at a car that redefines electric elegance at the 2026 Rolls-Royce Spectre Black Badge. When Rolls-Royce first introduced the Spectre, it marked a bold new chapter, the brand's first fully electric vehicle. But with the Black Badge treatment, Rolls-Royce has taken things even further, pushing boundaries in performance, design, and sheer presence. Let's talk about power first. Underneath its sculpted hood lies a dual-motor electric setup delivering around 650 horsepower and 900 Nm of torque. That translates to an effortlessly smooth 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 4.3 seconds. Not numbers you'd normally associate with a nearly 3-ton ultra-luxury coupe, but Rolls-Royce isn't about raw speed, it's about commanding power delivered in absolute silence. With the Spectre Black Badge, you don't just arrive, you make a statement before the doors even open. Now visually, this car is an absolute stunner. The Black Badge edition takes the already striking design of the standard Spectre and dials it up. The spirit of ecstasy, usually bright and polished, now wears a darker chrome finish, sitting above a reimagined Pantheon grille subtly illuminated, giving off a futuristic vibe at night. The paintwork, often in deep blacks or custom hues, absorbs light like a black hole, giving the car a mysterious, magnetic presence. The 23-inch wheels are bespoke, with carbon fiber inserts that balance both aggression and elegance. Inside, it's nothing short of a galaxy on wheels. Rolls-Royce has equipped the Spectre Black Badge with the Starlight doors, hundreds of tiny LEDs embedded within the doors to mimic a starry night sky. The dashboard features Black Badge exclusive technical fiber trim, interwoven with aluminum threads, offering a texture and sheen that feels both futuristic and handcrafted. Everything from the lamb's wool carpets to the hand-stitched leather is executed to perfection. The cabin is cocoon quiet thanks to both electric power and advanced sound insulation, making every journey feel like a dream. Of course, this car is more than just looks and comfort. The Spectre Black Badge includes an adaptive suspension system that reads the road ahead, adjusting every millisecond for the smoothest ride possible. Even the regenerative braking is refined to feel seamless and natural, just like you'd expect from Rolls-Royce. This isn't just a luxury EV. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Spectre Black Badge is a declaration that electric cars can be bold, daring, and impossibly elegant. It's proof that sustainability and style don't have to be opposites. With every detail engineered to perfection, the Spectre Black Badge isn't just the future of Rolls-Royce, it's the future of automotive luxury itself. Thanks for riding with us here at Rolling Legends. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more automotive royalty.